D Pharma first year, and chapter is female reproductive system. And mainly we are going to discuss in the Odia language so that it is easy to understand for all. First syllabus: physiology and anatomy of reproductive system. And male reproductive system we have discussed in our earlier video. So today we are going to discuss female reproductive system. And what are the different question comes in OSBP, that is menstruation, 5 mark question in 2006, menopause in 2007, and one long question that is with the help of diagram describe and give functions of each internal organ of female reproductive system in 2009, that is long question. Apart from this, many times question comes either male reproductive system or female reproductive system. Short note, either 7.5 or 5 mark question. So let us discuss about the female reproductive system. The female reproductive system is made up of internal and external sex organs that function in reproduction of new offspring. It is immature at birth and develop to the maturity at puberty to be able to produce gametes and to carry a fetus to full term. कौन कहला? The female reproductive system is made up of internal and external sex organ. That means किछि organ internally अछि और किछि organ externally. So we'll go through detail what are the internal organ present and what are the external organ involved in female reproductive system. এবং এই internal और external organ main function in the reproduction of new offspring. That means with the help of this reproductive organ or reproduction process, new offspring or new generation starts. So it is a immature at birth. That means before puberty or before maturity, it is immature. Mainly egg are immature or other secondary sexual organs are immature and develop at the time of maturity or puberty or able to produce gametes or egg and to carry a fetus in full term. So main purpose कौन? The new offspring with the help of this female reproductive system. ଆଉ ଏ female reproductive system ରେ କିଛି internal ଆଉ external organ ଅଛି. ଦେଖିବା, the internal sex organ are the uterus, fallopian tube, vagina, ovaries. These are the different internal organ present in the female reproductive system. कौन कौन ना? Let's see in the figure. Uterus, the uterus or the ovary or the fallopian tube or the cervix or the vagina. These are the internal sex organ. कौन कौन ना? ovary, see the fallopian tube, see the uterus, see the cervix, see the vagina. These are the internal sex organs present in female reproductive system. Apart from this, the external sex organs are also present. That is also known as genitals. And these are the vulva, including the labia majora or minora or clitoris and vaginal opening. So these are external sex organ we'll discuss in our later video. Today we are going to discuss ovary, fallopian tube or uterine tube, uterus, vagina. These are the internal sex organ we are going to discuss one by one. So first, ovary. The ovary are a pair of small glands about the size and shape of almond, located in the left and right side of the pelvic body cavity laterally to the superior portion of the uterus and estimated length 4 centimeter, width 2 centimeter and thick 1.5 centimeter. कौन कहला ना दीटा ओभारी अछंती ए पेयर ऑफ स्मॉल ग्लैंड एंड तार शेप टा को भले आलमंड शेप टा होची आलमंड लेंथ 4 centimeter width 2 centimeter thick 1.5 centimeter again ओभारी टा होची दीटा वन पेयर को भले शेप आलमंड शेप length 4 centimeter width 2 centimeter thick 1.5 centimeter and it is present left and right side of the pelvic cavity or lateral and superior to the uterus. Superior to the uterus. This is the location or size of the ovaries. ହେଲେ କ'ଣ ନା pear shape sorry pear ଦିଟା ଆଉ almond shape pair of small gland almond shape 4 centimeter length 2 centimeter width 1.5 centimeter thick present lateral cavity of the pelvic body and superior to the uterus. See, ovaries, what is the function? Main function produce the female sex hormone. It is a small glands or glands, its hormones. So ovaries produce female sex hormone such as estrogen and progesterone as well as egg, that is ova commonly called eggs or the female gametes. એટલે कौन फंक्शन ना एस्ट्रोजेन और प्रोजेस्टेरोन हार्मोन सिक्रेशन करिथाय आउ कोन एग तयारी कर ओवा female gametes. So, ova are produced from the oocyst cell that are slowly developed throughout the woman's yearly life. Interesting things is जो oocyst cell गुड़ाक in the time of birth जन्मरू सेगुड़ाक छोट झील मान क्षेत्र में यू कैन से और गर्ल चाइल्ड क्षेत्र में ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट था एंड रीच मैच्योरिटी आफ्टर प्यूबर्टी प्यूबर्टी आसे सेगुड़ाक मैच्योरिटी हुए एवं each month during the ovulation a mature ovum is released. गोटे गोटे mature ovum release होता है. The ovum travel from the ovary to the fallopian tube where it may be fertilized before reaching the uterus. Uterus को जीवा पूर्वरु fallopian tube रे fertilized होता है. कौन कहला ना ए जो ताले व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ ओवरी वन फंक्शन इज रिलीज सेक्स हार्मोन दैट इज एस्ट्रोजन एंड प्रोजेस्टेरोन और प्रोड्यूस सेक्स हार्मोन एस्ट्रोजन एंड प्रोजेस्टेरोन ये ओवरी और मेन काम कौन करे ना एग तयारी करथाय कोठू ना ओसाइट सेल oocyte cell देखिबा see in the figure A. Primordial ovarian follicle in egg nest. C. Follicle cell or primary oocyst. Primary oocyst ରୁ କେମିତି secondary oocyte ହଉଛି. C. These are the primary oocyst. Then formation of primary ovarian follicle. Granulosa cell, primary oocyst, then primary to formation of secondary ovarian follicle, thecal cell, zona pellucida or nucleus of the primary oocyte or granulosa cell, then formation of the tertiary ovarian follicle, then ovulation, then formation of corpus luteum, then formation of corpus albicans. So this is the stage from primary to secondary oocyte. See the next figure. Same primary follicle. केमती रिलीज ऑफ ओव्यूम और एगटा केमती ओभारी रु रिलीज होची. रिलीज ऑफ ओव्यूम द प्रोसेस ओव्यूलेशन. ओव्यूलेशन रे केमती एगटा रिलीज हेकी फैलोपियन ट्यूब को जाई थाए. स्टेज स्टेप 1 egg leaves ovary and enter to the fallopian tube. ये जो egg गुड़ा को जो रिलीज हुए हमें देखिले इन द प्रीवियस वीडियो. सी ये जो egg रिलीज होची. सी is the egg release of the ovum. In the next figure egg टा रिलीज हैला परे कोन रिलीज हैला परे जाकी fallopian tube को एटा fallopian tube एटी पहुंच fallopian tube. यदि एट द सेम टाइम जो fallopian tube रे जते egg टा रहुची यदि इन either intercross or any यदि sperm रो कांटेक्ट रे आसीला व्हाट हैपन फर्टिलाइज कर जिवो egg टा को फर्टिलाइज हे जिवो. सी step 2 sperm enter to the egg and unite with the nucleus. ए न्यूक्लियस सहित यूनाइट कर जिवो ये स्पर्म केते बेले ना जेते बेले ओभारी रु एग टा को बाहर के आसीबो fallopian ट्यूब को. यदि एट द सेम टाइम यदि स्पर्म गला कोड को fallopian ट्यूब को ताले देयर इज अ चांसेस ऑफ फर्टिलाइजेशन. See in the third step fertilize egg divide. फर्टिलाइज एग डिवाइड है कि कौन हुए 2 सेल 4 सेल 8 सेल देके आसिकी यूटेरस रे सेल अटैच टू द यूटेरस तापरे धीरे धीरे इठी बढ़िबा आरंभ करथाय बेबी रो ग्रोथ और फेटस रो ग्रोथ ताको कोठी ना यूटेरस रे. जदि फर्टिलाइज न हला कोन आसिला ओभारी रे एग टा तयारी हला egg leave ovary and enter to the fallopian tube. fallopian tube रो धीरे आसिकी यूटेरस रो पहुंचला. यूटेरस रो कोन हला मैच्योरिटी हे गला परे से बाहर को बाहरी गला जोटा हमें पीरियड बोली कहिता 28 डेज रे. we'll go through detail menstruation process in our next video. But what is the fallopian tube? What is ovary? What is the major function of ovary? What is the function of fallopian tube? What is the function of uterus? What is the function of vagina? These are the internal structure of the female reproductive system. So, ovary रो ताले काम कौन है? Again, we will discuss or quick recap. Ovary produce female sex hormone such as estrogen and progesterone. आउ कौन करे ना ओवा और एग प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. ओवा आर प्रोड्यूस फ्रॉम द oocyte cell that slowly develop throughout the woman's yearly life. जत्तिकी भी अंडा केरी माने पीरियड रे हबो एट द एज ऑफ 11 और 12 टू 45 सब अंडा गुड़ा ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट थाए एट द टाइम ऑफ बार्थ और बिफोर बार्थ सेटाक अनडेभलप्ड अवस्था रे थाए डेभलप्ड केते हुए ना जते आफ्टर प्यूबर्टी से जिनसटा कहला ओवर प्रोड्यूस फ्रॉम द ओसाइट सेल slowly developed throughout the woman's early life and reach maturity after puberty. Each month during ovulation, a mature ovum, got a mature ovum is released. So the ovum travel from the ovary to fallopian tube. Ovary mature hela pare se fallopian tube को travel करते हैं where it may be fertilized or excreted out or excreted out unwanted material. पचिकी बाहरी जाइए जदि फर्टिलाइज न होला कौन हम मेच्योरिटी पर एग रो मेच्योरिटी पर से ऑटोमेटिक नष्ट होगी बाहर को बाहरी जीव सी द फिगर we have already discussed so blood supply to the ovary केमती ovary को blood supply होता है ovarian artery डायरेक्ट एओर्टा रो केमती blood supply और common iliac artery इंटरनल इलियाक आर्टेरी और भेजिनल आर्टेरी केमती भेजिना को ब्लड सप्लाई हिची आर्टिकुल आर्टी arcuate artery see how the blood supply to the ovary or fallopian tube or uterus or vagina see the figure then now comes to the fallopian tube so the fallopian tube serve as the pathway of the egg cell towards the uterus कौन कहला the main function it is a just pathway egg travels through this pathway from ovary to uterus ovary ru uterus को जिबा ପାଇଁ ଏଟା ଗୋଟେ pathway so it is a smooth hollow tunnel that is divided into four parts but the fallopian tube is divided into four parts कौन the interstitial which is 1 centimeter length then isthmus which is 2 centimeter length then ampulla that is 5 centimeter length then infundibular which is 2 centimeter length long or length and funnel shape funnel वाला थाली भलिया देखिया ପାଇଁ so total length केते होला ताले 1 2 3 5 3 8 2 10 सेंटीमीटर approximately कौन कहला ना first interstitial first part that is 1 centimeter length then ampulla 2 centimeter length then 5 centimeter length infundibular then 2 centimeter length funnel see the figure see the infundibular or ampulla or isthmus or intramural part is divided total fallopian tube divided into four parts 1 centimeter 2 centimeter 5 centimeter 2 centimeter so the fallopian tube it is a pathway of the egg which travels from the ovary to uterus it is a smooth hollow tunnel divided into four parts isthmus ampulla infundibular and interstitial and funnel shape. The funnel has a small hair called fimbria and that the proper propel of the ovum into the fallopian tube. The fallopian tube is lined with the mucous membrane and underneath is the connective tissue and muscle layer. The muscle layer is responsible for the peristalsis movement that propel the ovum forward. एक गुड़ाक with the help of तामने peristalsis movement रे से uterus को जाइथाती the distal end of the fallopian tube are open making the pathway for conception to occur so this is all about your fallopian tube कौन बुझिले ना एटा गोटे pathway टा चारि भाग रे विभक्त कराइछि interstitial isthmus ampulla infundibular तार जो गोटे एंड रे जो फनेल एंड रे हेयर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर अच्छी जोटा को फिम्ब्रिया कहुए से मैंने कौन करती ओव्यूम बा एग मैच्योरिटी हेल्प कर सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर fallopian tubes. See the figure. Now uterus. The first figure, see the uterus. This is the uterus. कौन कहूँ uterus? Uterus is described. It is a hollow. फांका स्पेस टाको muscular pear-shaped organ. It is a hollow muscular pear-shaped organ. It is located at the lower pelvis, which is posterior to the bladder and anterior to the rectum. Rectum ର ସାମ୍ନା ପଟେ ଆଉ ब्लैडर ର posterior पटे पछ पटे अवस्थित. The uterus has estimated length 5 to 7 centimeter, width 5 centimeter, and 2.5 centimeter deep its widest part. For non-pregnant women, it is approximately 60 gram weight. So its function to receive the ovum from the fallopian tube and provide a place for implantation and nourishment. So it gives protection to the growing fetus. That means main function कौन कले जो fertilize ହେଲା ପରେ egg ଟା fertilize ହେଲା ପରେ जो ଆସିଥାଏ fallopian tube ରୁ ସେ growing କୋଉଠି ହୁଏ ନାଇଁ ନା uterus. fetus growing ହେଇଥାଏ uterus और it gives protection ଦେଇଥାଏ କାହାକୁ fetus ये uterus ଧରି ରଖିଥାଏ ତାକୁ कोठी अवस्थित लोअर पेल्विस रे posterior to the bladder anterior to the rectum shape को बड़े hollow muscular pear shaped organ length केते 5 to 7 centimeter width 5 to 7 centimeter length 5 centimeter width and 60 gram weight in case of non-pregnant woman. So the body forms the bulk of the uterus being the uppermost part. This is the part that expand and accumulate the growing fetus. The isthmus is just a short connection between the body and cervix. Isthmus को part ना body और cervix रो जो connection part. This is the portion that cut during the cessation section. जेतले हमें सीजरिंग करी जो कहूँ बेबीटा को आउट करवा ये पोर्शन टाକୁ कट करके बाहर करते. So the cervix lies halfway above the vagina and other half extend into the vagina. It has an internal and external cervical os which is the opening into the cervical canal. তাহলে এটা হচ্ছে see the figure again. Is the cavity of the body or uterine wall, internal orifice, uterine body, vagina, cavity of the cervix. Again, a quick recap of the uterus. It's a hollow muscular pear-shaped organ. Lower pelvic rib. It is located at the lower pelvis, posterior to the urinary bladder, anterior to the rectum. Estimated length 5 to 7 centimeter. Width 5 centimeter. It is 60 gram weight in case of non-pregnant women. It gives mainly protection to the growing fetus. And it is divided into three parts: body, isthmus, and cervix. Body, isthmus, and cervix. Then comes to the vagina part. The vagina is an elastic muscular tube that connects the cervix of the uterus to the exterior of the body. It is located inferior to the uterus and posterior to the urinary bladder. कौन कहला? That is elastic. Means easily contract and relax. Muscular tube that connect the cervix of the यूटेरस यूट्रस रो सर्विक्स को कनेक्ट होता है. सो लोकेशन inferior to the uterus यूट्रस रो तळु posterior to the urinary bladder same posterior to the पछपटे urinary bladder and the vagina function as receptacle for the penis during sexual intercourse and carry sperm to the uterus fallopian tube. So कौन करते हैं मेनली स्पर्म टाको कैरी करिवारे सहायता करे कुआडे पहुंचे देबा यूट्रस एंड फैलोपियन ट्यूब को. So it also serve as a birth canal. Okay? मतलब डिलीवरी टाइम और स्ट्रेचिंग टू अलाउ द डिलीवरी ऑफ द fetus during childbirth or during menstruation the menstrual flow exhibit the body via the vagina. then mainly three four function कौन कौन ना एग टाकू फैलोपियन ट्यूब आ यूट्रस को पहुंचे दबारे मेनली यूट्रस को पहुंचे दबारे साहाय्य करे यूट्रस और फैलोपियन ट्यूब कौन स्पर्म नंबर 1 फंक्शन. नंबर 2 डिलीवरी टाइम रे हेल्प करे स्ट्रेच है कि allow the delivery of the fetus. Number 2. Number 3 every month it helps how to flow the menstrual flow or cycle via the vagina. So these are the 3-4 or receptacle for the penis. 3-4 function of the vagina. Mainly এই কামগুড়া କରିଥାଏ. So apart from this it also helps like the receptacle for the penis. So these are the function of vagina. એટલે કોણ પડીલે ના it is the elastic muscular tube that connect to the cervix. Location inferior to the uterus, posterior to the urinary bladder. Function sperm carry to the uterus and fallopian tube. Stretching in the time of delivery or menstrual flow. So this is all about your function and structure of internal part of the or internal sex organ. In the next video we are planning to discuss external genitalia, that means external organ which is involved in the female reproductive system. Also we are trying to discuss about the menstruation cycle and menopause. So thank you for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.